Did you know Marcus Garvey said freedom starts in your mind, not with a protest? We are going to emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free the mind. That's not just a lyric Bob Marley borrowed, it's Garvey's blueprint for liberation. If you have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. Confidence wasn't ego for Garvey, it was a weapon against oppression. And for him, the most powerful weapon, the mind itself. Mind is your only ruler, sovereign. The man who cannot use his mind is bound to be the slave of the other. His mission, not just black freedom, but mental sovereignty. Poll. Which quote do you think we still need most today? Like, follow, share if you believe mindset is the first step to freedom.